Hello and welcome to our channel. Have you been trying to manifest your desires but you're not seeing any results? In this video, we'll share with you the best method to manifest your desires as suggested by Neville Goddard in only 3 easy steps. This is the most effective manifestation technique, so make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes while practicing this method. Neville Goddard's law of assumption says that whatever you think, believe, or imagine becomes your reality. Your imagination and your thoughts affect your life the most and determine what is going to happen next. In most cases, people blame other people or external factors for the bad things that happen to them. But in actuality, our own thoughts and assumptions hurt us the most. Neville Goddard suggests that we can change our reality and our whole life by changing our imagination, assumptions, and thoughts. It is a fact that our actions are determined, influenced, and shaped by our thoughts. So, if we can change our thoughts, we will make better decisions and choices, and eventually, our whole life will improve. However, it is not easy to change thoughts, imagination, or beliefs. Whatever our mind sees or observes gets imprinted in our mind, and that's how our beliefs are formed. If something happens to us or the things that we see often enough, they become a part of our subconscious mind. We don't know, but our past and the things that happen to us in our past have an impact on our present and what we do in our present. It is a fact that it is difficult to stop our past from affecting our future and our reality. If we want to do that, we will need to pull out of our minds all those beliefs resulting from our bad past experiences. Then, after cleaning our minds, we will need to put the desired thoughts into our subconscious minds. Manifesting your desires entails identifying and removing unnecessary and negative thoughts while cultivating fresh, positive, and desired thoughts that will eventually help you make better decisions and choices. So in this way, you will be able to change your whole life and manifest whatever you want to manifest. Now let's get to the method that will help you manifest your desires easily and quickly. This method involves 3 steps. First, create a scene to imagine. Our thoughts and our imagination affect our lives the most and have an impact on our whole lives. Our actions speak and show what we have inside our minds. So you will need to get your mind ready first. Let's now suppose you want to manifest your desire for a car, but you don't have any money to buy that car. When your mind observes that you don't have money to buy the car you want to buy, a belief is automatically formed that you can't buy a car. When your mind has these kinds of thoughts, then you will never be able to buy the car you want to buy. Your mind will never think or imagine the car that you want to buy because it's your belief that you can't buy it. So don't waste your time thinking about it. You will never ever think about taking any action or decision to get the car you want to buy because your mind has taught you that you can't. That thought has now become your firm belief. It's your belief that is residing secretly in your mind, affecting your life, and stopping you from doing anything that you should do to manifest your goal. So you've got to remove this thought and cultivate a new thought, such as, I can buy a car. The first step towards the process is to write or create a scene. This scene would be related to your goal that you're going to manifest. So now that you have created a scene and imagined it vividly in your mind, let's move on to the second step. Step 2 is to enter into the scene. In other words, you need to imagine that you are actually experiencing that scene right now. It's not enough to just watch it from a distance. You need to become a part of it. Imagine that you are feeling the leather seats of your new car, smelling the new car smell, and hearing the purr of the engine. You are feeling happy, fulfilled, and grateful for having achieved your goal. The more you can immerse yourself in this scene, the more real it will feel to you, and the more likely you are to manifest it in your life. Now, let's move on to the third and final step. Step 3 is to repeat the scene in your mind every day until it becomes a part of your reality. Neville Goddard suggests that you do this every night before you go to bed, as that is when your subconscious mind is most receptive to new ideas and beliefs. As you continue to imagine the scene every day, your mind will start to believe that it is real, and your actions will start to align with your beliefs. You will start to take steps towards manifesting your desire, and eventually it will become a reality. So there you have it, Neville Goddard's 3-step method for manifesting your desires. Remember, the key is to create a vivid scene, immerse yourself in it, and repeat it every day until it becomes your reality. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.